Are you interested in a fantastic new way of keeping your hanging baskets looking beautiful? Let's talk about the universal snap-on feeder. It easily snaps onto your existing watering wand, add your fertilizer, and you're ready to go. It's so easy and convenient. This is how I used to have to fertilize my baskets and having to deal with a step stool. But the universal snap-on feeder has the ability to snap onto all existing watering wands and gives you the flexibility to both water and fertilize your hanging baskets without having to pull out that step stool.
Hi, I'm Rich Nolan. I'm the inventor of the universal snap-on feeder. I came across this idea when, after having open heart surgery, triple bypass surgery, I could no longer climb up on a step stool or a ladder to fertilize my hanging baskets. I truly hope that you find my product as useful to you as it has been for me.